And we're back with another Toy Show unboxing. I'm Big T from Toy Show, and today we're unboxing the Mattel Elite WWE Series 96 Ilya Dragonov. Did you stop filming? Did you never start filming?
No, I'm filming.
Okay,
it's just...
why are you giving me the like Eureka finger?
Eureka Finger is a great Madden name.
Right? It sounds like a dirty cookie. Eureka Finger.
He's got a Eureka Finger.
All right, that's the front of the box. Let's see the back of the box. I have a couple guys from this series. Was that the Hogan, the Warbana Hogan on there? If I'm not mistaken. I bet that's the only two figures. I like the Nakamura. I'm going to get that. Where's the...
I need the dewdrop for reasons.
I didn't know how to open these by now.
Just need to diversify the Destro stable, that's all.
Yeah, dude, you gotta have options.
It's where Nia Jax went. Nia Jax, whatever.
You corrected yourself there, homie.
I know.
Well, don't act like I'm being the...
To be fair, you were gonna.
I was not. Absolutely not.
This is a good likeness. You know, we've been lucky. Most of the face scan toys that we've opened lately have all been really good likenesses.
I'm not sure whether there's been an elite.
Well, wait. There was one bad likeness. That Marvel Legends Anderson Cooper looked like Martin Freeman.
Yeah, I know, right? Oh, these stupid ties. Now the belt's tied around him. What the hell? There you go. Got a smoking jacket on. Look, he's ready to fucking strip. What's going on here with this? Is this even velvet? Nah. Still good cloth goods. I like the cloth goods and the vinyl on the jacket. It's a nice touch instead of like just the old, this nifty European WWE, the NXT European Championship.
It wants to zoom on the Ultimate Warrior t-shirt, not on the Ilya Dragonov face.
It happens. What are you going to do?
You told me that was a hockey player's name, and I believed you.
Yeah. Right? Left wing for the Red Wings.
Inspecting it for dye?
No. No. There's writing on his ass.
Oh, is that what you were trying to read?
Yes.
The phone doesn't want to read it.
What are you going to do?
Attach a better picture of it at a later date.
It's true.
I assure you there's legible writing back there.
All right, all in all, it's a decent figure. I mean, it's not...
Let me get a good shot
It's
of
okay.
that.
I'm a little surprised the front doesn't... I'm not sure that there's been another Elite Ilya Dragonov, but it doesn't say that it's the first time online either, so I'm kind of confused, but I don't know if they count basics with that also.
That belt's nice.
Yeah,
what's that? The NXT UK title?
Yes. Well, yeah, it's good. It's good. I mean, it's not great, but it's good. I mean, that's all I gotta say about that. I don't know. If you like our videos, like, subscribe, notify. Get me to 100 subscribers. We will unbox the 2022 San Diego Comic-Con Mattel Ultimate Edition No Holds Barred 2-pack. As always, thank you for watching, and have a great night and a wonderful tomorrow.